This tab is where you can disaggregate targets based on sublocations, age, and sex. To start, you can look at the reporting period. This will be set to the same as the target period. However, you can choose a subset of the time period. So if I've set targets for 3 years, I may want to just disaggregate 1 year of targets. Next, you can specify which age sex groups will be included in the disaggregation. You can see I've already done this for STCs, FSWs, and MSM, and I can begin for AGYW here. So I'm going to set these groups to yes. And you can notice I can either set the other ones to no, or I can leave them as a dash. Either way works. For high-risk men, I will not be including females, and I can choose either all of the male categories or a subset. So I'm going to just choose a few here. The final step is we can enter the sublocation information. Here we've set it up so you can enter province name. However, you could put it whatever details are needed to identify the sublocations that you'll be disaggregating to. And next you have to put in the population of people over age 15 for each sublocation. This helps allow us to disaggregate the targets appropriately. That is all that is needed for this tab. Please refer to the user guide for more information, and thank you for watching.